Do you know what's massively underrated at the moment? Gratitude. Somewhere in our lifetime, saying thanks to people became an option. Before we used to say it quite readily, but now it's an option. Are you or are you not going to say it? It feels a little bit like a box you tick, and you move on. So you might say thanks to someone, but did you ever really mean it? The truth is that no one ever really gets anywhere in life alone, whether it's in business or web design. We all kind of lean on someone or the other at some point in our life to get to where we are right now or where we need to be. Think about the people who have helped you along the way. Maybe it's a client who took a chance on you. Maybe it's a mentor or someone on a forum who dropped a golden nugget for you, or they helped you to problem solve a problem kind of thing. They helped you out with the solution. Or maybe they were just someone who listened to you. Doesn't even have to be about web design. It could be a counselor. They didn't have to, but they did. They gave you an ear, a shoulder to lean on. Now, whoever they are, go and give them some thanks. I don't mean a social media post, but go and drop a message to them. Send it. Send them an email. Let your customers know that you appreciate them. And I don't mean in a cold, templated way, like, you just send it like in a newsletter to all of them. Thank you, because sometimes that feels quite cold and empty. But do it in a real human way. Address them. Tell them what they mean to you or how they helped you out or how you hope they're appreciating what you're doing for them as well. Because when clients feel valued, they kind of stick around. And don't just do this for clients. Do it for everyone out there that has ever challenged you, gave you feedback, mentored you, solved your problem, helped you out with anything. I don't care how small and particular it was. It does not matter. Gratitude keeps you grounded because it reminds you that you got to where you are due to help. And it will also help relationships to get stronger as well. Thank you costs nothing other than an email, which might take you a bit of time. But it's not going to cost you anything, all right? And what it's going to pay you back in is a bit of loyalty and trust, and maybe even a few referrals. So go on, say it, mean it, and watch how far it takes you.